Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to connect NameCheap domain to your Shopify store. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to your store and take a look on the left bottom. You will see your setting icon. Click on it. Once you will click on the option setting, you will get access to your store settings. Scroll down a bit, and here you have to find option domain. Once you see, click on it. Now in the domain section, you will see different options, like connect to existing domain or buy a new domain. So like we have our domain. So we will click on option connect to existing domain. Once you will click on it, here what we have to do, we have to paste our NameCheap domain. So the first thing we will do is we will write www. And now let's jump back to our NameCheap. Once you will be on your NameCheap domain. Here, take a look on the left top. You can see your profile icon. Take your mouse cursor on it, and here what you have to do. Click on the option dashboard. Once you will get access to your dashboard, here take a look on the left side, and click on the option domain list. After clicking on the option domain list, let me scroll down a bit, and here you can see my domain online how to guide. Copy this, and let's jump back to our Shopify and paste here. Once you do, click on the option next. Now it's connecting to my domain, but not fully connected. Now what I need to do is if I click on the option to follow setting instruction, this will take me to the Shopify help page. And in this video, they will show you how can you connect a third-party domain. But it will only explain, let me explore it by myself and you have to follow me. Now we are on our NameCheap domain, and here I need to click on the option domain list. Once I will click on the option domain list, scroll down and name server will be NameCheap Basic DNS. After confirming it, you have to tap on the option Advanced DNS. After clicking on the option Advanced DNS, below you will see these are some A name and some C name records. Now what I need to do, if I need to delete all previous, and after it we will add 2 new records. So let me delete first. Now both are deleted. Click on the option Add a new record, and here the first record I will add that is C name. After it, the host will be www, and the target will be shops.myshopify.com. And the remaining thing will be same, and click on this tick icon. After it, again, click on the option Add a new record, and add a name record. The host will be this sign, and you have to write this after writing click on this tick icon. Now both records are added. Now let's jump back to our Shopify, and here click on the option Verify Connection. Now it's still pending because these records will take up to 48 hours for connecting to your domain. So click on the option Verify Connection to check it's connected or not. And as you can see, after waiting for a while, it is open, but you can see SSL is still pending. As I said, it will complete after 48 hours. So for confirming it, click on it, and here you can see the domain type is primary. If it is not, then set it as primary. SSL is pending. So we have to wait until it's completed. After it, we will copy it and we'll paste it in a new tab. And as you can see in my case, it's redirected to my Shopify and saying opening soon. So maybe on yours it will take up to 24 or 48 hours to be completed. So have some patience and wait for 48 hours. And it was the way by which you can do it quickly.